Okay, hi, I'm Elise. I found Instagram through a friend actually. My friend actually ordered some veneers and she put them up and I was like, oh my gosh, these are literally amazing. I went on the instasmile page. I had a little browse at first, I was a bit unsure, and then I thought, you know what, like once in a lifetime opportunity, I ordered them, and ever since I've had them, I've literally done nothing but smile. When usually on pictures I would hide a smile or I'd look away, but now I'm literally like just so smiling, happy and confident. It's literally amazing. instasmile has changed how I am and how I look in photos. It's generally such a good company and they're so polite, they're so helpful. The customer service is so helpful, and literally I was ringing them all the time asking so many questions and I felt like I was annoying them, but they were so polite and I literally couldn't thank them so much. It's literally unbelievable. So I chose instasmile because I had a little browse of the website and I looked at quite a few reviews on Instagram and YouTube, and from everybody else's point of view, instasmile were the best option, and I just thought I would take the leap and I'd go with instasmile, and I've not regretted my choice like one little bit. At first I did look at having braces, and the braces option was just so much money, and then with instasmile it's not a lot of money, it's still cheap for what you're getting, but it's worth it because you get a lot more than you're given, if that makes sense. So 100% worth it. So I went with the classics. I went with the upper set and the lower set. I had the shade BL1 just because my teeth are quite stained from smoking, so I went with the Hollywood Smile. I can eat with them in, I could drink with them in. I'm a lot used to talking with them in now, like I don't have a lisp anymore, but I have had them for 4 weeks now, so I got used to talking to them like a lot more. I still smoke with them in, but it's just so worth having them because like with like retainers and stuff you would get the staining, but with instasmile there's no staining, I can still smoke, so it's good. And I wear them literally every day. The only time I don't wear them is if I take them out to go to sleep. You will not see me without them in. So I've never had any dental treatment, I've never had fillings, nothing like that. The only thing I have if I go to the dentist is just a quick clean, and that's it. There's been no problems. If anything, my teeth are a lot better since I've had them. If you're hesitant about them, do look at YouTube videos because they helped me to make a decision, but it's personal preference, and for me they have helped a lot. So thanks instasmile.